Welcome to the Learn 9 News. I'm EJ.
And I'm Roman. Here's the news for Wednesday, September 29th, 2021.
Artist Frida Kahlo was considered one of Mexico's greatest artists. She began painting mostly self-portraits. Some of her most famous paintings include Frida and Diego Rivero in The Two Fridas.
We will be hosting a virtual open house for all Learn 9 families on Thursday, September 30th from 6 p.m. until 7 p.m. and will be completely online. The links to join will be shared later this week.
NJHS application forms must be completed by 6 p.m. on October 1st, 2021. No application forms will be accepted after 6 o'clock p.m. and the survey will close. The Faculty Council will be reviewing application forms and essays from October 1st to October 3rd. The applications will be notified of acceptance or rejection by 4 o'clock p.m. on October 4th.
Scholars, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Put your right hand over your heart and face the American flag. Say it with us. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And that's the news for today. Our next episode will be Friday, October 1st, 2021.
Thanks for watching, and remember, there's no news like the Learn 9 News. We'll see you next time.